This is my GA2 M4 and it currently has a really big problem. The stock exhaust is really bad. And the plan is to upgrade this car with a full titanium exhaust that can spit flames. But they're usually around $6,000 online, but not if we buy it on Temu. And that's the plan for this video, buying a full titanium exhaust on some Chinese website for very cheap, see how it sounds and even try to make it spit flames. But first I had to look online to find one. Alright, so I've got good news. I found this exhaust that Valvetronic sells. It's full titanium, but it's $5,000. But I found this website in AliExpress that sells the exact same thing. It's literally the exact same one. Okay guys, so I have good news. We have just made the order. It was only $1,300 plus shipping, totaling almost $1,800. It's nothing compared to the Valvetronic one. And I actually doubt if it's even gonna come, but that's why I'm making this video. I'm risking it all for you. And now it's gonna take a few weeks, but for you, it's just gonna be one cut. Alright guys, I just got a notification that my delivery driver's almost here. Oh, there he is. I think that's him. Look at him. What? He just drifted in. Oh, what? There's no way that's my exhaust. No way. No. No. No way. Alright guys, there's my exhaust. So we're gonna go pick it up and get it installed in the car. So let's go. Now that we had the exhaust, we dropped the car off to get it installed. And a few hours later, it was ready for pickup. Alright, so this is the first time seeing the car after the exhaust has been put on. So I'm actually very excited to try it on and see how it sounds now. Holy shit. That's bugged, man. Oh my god, man. That's so crazy. Now that we've seen how loud the exhaust is from outside, we're gonna see how loud it is from inside. So we're gonna go to a tunnel that's obviously in Mexico and try it out. 3, 2, 1. That's fucked, man. That's so loud. Now we know how loud the exhaust is in the tunnel, so we have to go to the next test. Now that this car is fully straight pipe, it should be able to do some crazy flames. We got this crazy flame tune from EGAS Tunes, so let's install it now. Alright, so we just have to put this in now. Oh, where the fuck? There we go. So now we just have to go to the app, open the custom tune we got from EGAS Tunes. There we go, flash. Alright guys, and while it's installing, if you guys have a BMW and want a flame tune like this, go to EGAS Tunes, because their flame maps are the best, as you'll see in a second. Let's go, we got the flame map on. Now it's time to try it out. Alright guys, the flame map is installed now, so let's see what kind of flames this Temu exhaust is gonna do. Oh my Oh my god, man, holy shit. Oh my god. Alright guys, as you saw, those flames were absolutely massive. I had to cover my ears because I think my ears would be bleeding right now if I hadn't. Now we've got some challenges to do with the flame tune, so let's go on to that. Alright guys, time for the first challenge with the exhaust. And you know, we've been recording for a bit, so it's time for a cigarette break. That means we're gonna try to light up the cigarette with the flame tune we just got. So let's stick it on this stick because I don't want my hand to blow off. Alright guys, we've got the cigarette here, so now it's time to light it up. Let's go, Ollie. It's like, what? It blew it off. No, where's my cigarette? What? It's all the way over there, man. My cigarette, no. Alright guys, for our second challenge with the flame app, I have a secret item here, which is tomatoes. We got 4 tomatoes that we're gonna put in the exhaust tips. Hopefully they fit nice and tight. We're doing this because it launched the cigarette really far back before, so we're gonna see what it does to these beautiful tomatoes. Oh my god, man. Alright guys, second try, we've put the tomatoes again. Alright guys, the flame tune didn't pass the tomato test, and it's because it might be so strong that it pushes them out before doing the flame. So it didn't pass the test, guys. Let's go into the next one. Alright guys, next challenge is the craziest one. We got a piece of drywall and we're gonna see if the flames are powerful enough to shatter the drywall. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we've set up the piece of drywall. Ollie's gonna rev it now, and we're gonna see if it's strong enough to explode it. So I think we're ready. Let's go. Oh my god, man. It's completely shattered it. That's so fucked. As you can see, it just blown out to pieces. Look at this. Look at all this shit. So I think that, man, that's so strong. Imagine you had your hand in there, it would just blow up. Anyways, it's passed the drywall test. All right, we've got this melon here. So now let's try to blow this up. Oh my god, man. All right, so the melon's pretty warm, but it definitely didn't blow it up. I mean, it kind of did a small thing in it, but it's not enough. So let's try that again. Look, it's like, it's done this. It's like yellow. I don't think it's gonna do anything, to be honest. It's pretty solid steel, so it didn't pass the melon test. All right, guys, there's a special button right here that came with the exhaust. As you can see, it says fire missile. The thing is that when I press that button, a missile comes out the exhaust. So let's do that right now. Here's the button. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There should be a rocket there coming. There should be a rocket there. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. As you can see, there was the rocket. There's so much smoke coming out. You might be wondering what's that for. And it's used for people that are tailgating you. So when someone does that, you just press the button and then their car explodes. Anyways, let's go into the next segment. Now we're gonna see if the banks are loud enough to set off car alarms. And we'll start off with the Teslas because they're known to have very weak alarms. So we found a Tesla parked right here, so let's do that now. How doesn't it, man? There's like such a big echo. Like, I don't understand how it doesn't set off the car alarm. Maybe we should go like into an indoor parking. So let's do that now. We're in an indoor car park now. Here's a Tesla we found. And hopefully with all the echo there's in here, it will work. 3, 2, 1. And it didn't do anything. Man, how are you still like able to hear? All right, guys, so the Tesla didn't work. So now it's time to try a Porsche. Oh my god, man. All right, it didn't work, so we need to get out of here really fast so we don't get caught. All right, that guy that you saw there came to investigate, I think. He asked me if we heard like a gunshot. We just said that we did, but it wasn't us, and then now we're just living. So it's good that he didn't cut us.